2025 can be your breakthrough year. 2025 can be the year where you escape the rat race. It can be the year in which you finally do something about your dreams, about what you feel your calling is. And of course, on this channel, we're talking about traveling and making money while traveling. But it can be anything, really. It can be anything. And traveling does not mean just, oh, I'm seeing the world or I'm seeing new places. Traveling to a different country can also mean you focusing on developing or growing your business. You focusing on becoming a better version of yourself because you're eliminating distractions. You're eliminating the small things that you have to do every day back home. You know, or small, unimportant obligations that you have. So traveling is not just about seeing the world and having fun. I think it's much, much more than that, and that is what attracted me to come to Thailand in the first place. It was not necessarily I didn't come here for the beach. I didn't come here to party or drink and get drunk. I came here because I felt like a change in environment will help me be more productive, and I will be able to focus on developing myself as a person, becoming a better man, a better human being. So that was and that is still my main reason. And it will be my main reason for a long time from now, I think. But I would say 2025 really can be your year, and I know we all have these, or maybe you did that in the past as well, just as I did, like the New Year resolution. You wanna, I don't know, for example, go to the gym and you do it for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and then you stop, and the next year you say the same thing. I know, but still, there's something powerful about, there's something that feels fresh about getting into a new year. So I would say use this energy or use this feeling. Try to make use of it as much as you can. And really make 2025 your breakthrough year. If you've been planning or been thinking about traveling, find a way to do it. Have a plan. Don't just wait for something to fall out of the sky. Have a plan. Start looking for, do you need a visa? What type of visa do you need? Make a list of the countries where you want to go. See what type of vaccines you need there. And I would say try to find countries where it's a little easier for you. I'm giving you an example. For me to go to USA, it required a long process of obtaining a visa. But to come here to Thailand, I just had to show up, and I would get a 2-month visa, and then I would be able to just extend it for another month. So I would say just find a place where you can, just simplify your life. Sorry, there's mosquitoes here. I have to be careful because I got bitten by one and got infected. But yeah. So start small. Start researching. Make a list. What are the countries that you think about? Then decide on one. Make some research. Use ChatGPT. And then just call the embassy and ask them, hey, what type of visa, or what do I have to do to get a visa in this country? Then the second thing is make some research about the vaccines you need. And the third thing is finances. Find a way to make money while you travel. Don't go and spend all of your savings on traveling. And with that, shameless plug, if you're interested in doing that, or rather in doing what I do, I do Facebook ads and Instagram ads for local businesses. I'm a freelancer, that's what I do. If you want to learn more about that and see if I can help you do the same thing, then just email me. You'll find the email in the description. But those are the three things you need to focus on. Just spend 2 hours every day on this, especially now is the holiday season. I don't know when this video will be posted, but right now is the holiday season. It's 22nd of December. Just spend 1-2 hours every day on doing research. Do something about this. Have a plan. And don't waste another year, because time is the most valuable thing we have. And I know it sounds cheesy, but it's true. It's true. 2024 will never come back again. 2025 will pass as well, and you'll not be able to go back. So make the most out of 2025. And make this your breakthrough year. If you want to travel, start making a plan and make it happen. And if you need help with that, not just to learn Facebook ads and Instagram ads and how to get clients for that, so you have a decent living, but also with the traveling, maybe coming to Thailand, where I'm at, or other places. If you need help with that, again, you can email me. If you don't, it's okay, no problem. You can just watch the videos. But have a plan and do something about it.